To see your sales reports, tap the menu icon at the top left of your home screen and select Analytics. Next, tap the calendar icon in the bottom right to choose a single date or a specific range. The report will update automatically. At the top of your dashboard, you'll see 4 main summaries: total sales, total revenue, total products, and paid in or paid out. These numbers adjust to the time frame you selected. Tap Total Sales to see a detailed breakdown of your revenue, profit, and discounts for each item. The Total Revenue box specifically shows your total earnings for that period. To manage your inventory, tap Total Products. From here, you can view your stock levels, add items, or see what's running low. Use the Paid In and Paid Out section to track any cash moving in or out that isn't from a sale. These reports give you a clear picture of your business, helping you make better decisions for your growth.